Hello. It's true. The journey is over. For all those sad souls that now think, well, we should have traveled on forever and kept on living in the Range Rover, after that time we were both tired of it. All the flaws of a car become very apparent when you have to live with them day in and day out, and we didn't really feel like we wanted to continue anyway. So we both decided that it would be better to come home again after almost a year and look for a new place and then start new. So the Range Rover is for sale. Obviously not. George is not for sale and will never be for sale. But that all raises the question, what's next? Well, we figured this was the end of our journey. Our first journey. Stay tuned.